Value stream mapping is a crucial visualization tool. Let's explore its benefits. It captures the current state of the workflow, from input to output, documenting every step involved. VSM helps visualize waste by highlighting where time and resources are misused in the process. It analyzes process flow and timing, showing value-adding versus non-value-adding activities. VSM reveals bottlenecks that slow down tasks, essential for optimizing workflow efficiency. Improves communication among team members, fostering clarity and a unified problem-solving approach. Supports evidence-based changes, allowing teams to propose improvements to streamline resources. Facilitates continuous improvement, enabling teams to measure improvements over time.